Kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 28th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Our next open house will be Saturday, February 5th, 10 a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 a.m. at the secondary campus. Please tell any friends who might be interested in learning more about PBMA. It's also a good time for 5th graders to check out our middle school. Save the date for our next Atlantis Family Skate Night, Thursday, February 10th, 6 o'clock p.m. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Admission is $10 cash per person, skating or not. Come join in the fun with your entire family. Monday, February 21st is a teacher workday. No school for students. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival is February 26th and February 27th. Come see the gorgeous chalk drawings created by PBMA students and teachers. Spring break is March 12th through March 21st. School resumes for students on March 22nd. Parents, please return your PBMA re-registration packets as soon as possible. Charter school students must reapply to the school each year. Shortly, we will open up enrollment spots to outside students, and we don't want our current students to miss out. Get those packets in ASAP. Monday, students celebrated the 100th day of school. We are now 100 days smarter. This week was also Literacy Week at the elementary campus. Here are some pictures of students participating in all the great Literacy Week activities. Last week was also School Choice Week. PBMA is proud to be a school of choice. Students wrote why they love PBMA. We are selling beautiful wood roses at the elementary campus that will be distributed on February 14th. Roses cost $2 each or 2 for $3. The order forms went home last Thursday. These beautiful roses will last forever. The PBMA cheerleaders and Sharky cheered on our basketball team. Let's take a look. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.